Hello friends, I am Samitinjay Bansode from JSPM and TSSM Group of Institute Narai Pune. I welcome you in the series of practicals to be conducted in the Transportation Engineering Laboratory. So today we are going to do one experiment, the ductility test of the bitumen. It will be done by the IS 1208 as per the norms given by the standard. So what is the ductility is the major issue that will be related with the cracking on the road. Because what happens, the stone aggregate which are placed on the road surface, they are to be adhere with the bitumen. But what happens sometimes the stripping value, due to the stripping value, the bitumen on the aggregate that may be not adhere properly, and so that there may be chances of cracking in the road pavement. So ductility is nothing but the measure of adhesion and ability to the stretch of the bitumen at specific limit. Then the ductility is going to be formed on film or coating over the aggregate. Due to this position, what happens? The interlocking in between the aggregate that will be formed very properly, and bond of the each and every aggregate that should be that will be found very good. And due to that, there is a formation of some sort of the softening in the whole pavement, and so it will be made as the flexible. Then the if we are having the inadequate ductility, then it may be lead to the causes of the cracking in the road pavement. So if you observe the cracking in the road pavement, so we can say that this cracking is due to the presence of inadequate ductility, or the ductility which is not specified as per the IS codes. So we need the apparatus for measuring the ductility is the Bickett mode, then the water bath, then also we need the testing machine, thermometer, oven for the heating of the bitumen. So in the ductility test, the special Bickett mode is to be used. So this is the Bickett mode that we are going to be used here. So the overall length of this Bickett mode is around 75 mm, and the length in between the two clips is 30 millimeter, and the thickness of this total, at the total there is a gap of only 10 millimeter gap is there, and overall width of this total overall width is about 32 mm, and the thickness of this briquette mold which is made up of the glass is of 10 mm. So these are the dimensions which are required for the measurement of the ductility. What we have to do, we are placing the bitumen inside that, inside the space which is available here, and we have to pour this bitumen at the pouring point. So we know that the pouring point of bitumen is around 75 to 100 degrees centigrade. So we have to heat the bitumen at 75 to 100 degrees centigrade, and after that we are going to placing this bitumen inside this part. Actually, there are three parts, so we can say this is the one part, second part is this, and this is the third part, if we say. So one and three, these are nothing but the clips. We have to form these clips and adhere these clips with the help of second number part. This total complete assembly, it may be available for the finding the ductility test. So this may be available at one gang, two gang, or the three gang. That may be depending on the testing machine which is with you. So this is about the briquette mold which we are going to use it. So this machine we are going to use for the ductility testing machine. So we can see that this is the ductility testing machine. Above here we can have the one knob which is placed here. This is nothing but the gear. This gear, it will be used for the 10 millimeter per minute or the 50 millimeter per minute. So we have to make it standard, as we can rotate in this direction also. So this is the neutral. So at for doing the ductility test, we are using the 50 mm per minute, and for finding out elasticity ratio of the ductility machine bitumen, so we can use the 10 mm per minute. So this machine, we are having the heater inside that, and the pump is there, and motor is also there. So motor is used for the revolving water throughout the machine. So we can found that here we can going to place the water inside that, and this motor is going to be rotate the water throughout this pump which is used for the revolving the water, and heater is there. We have to heat the water at 25 degrees centigrade only. So we have to maintain the temperature of bitumen, or the temperature during test is of 25 degrees centigrade. Here we have to place the briquette mold in this place, and we can see here there is a presence of scale to finding out the ductility. So what happens, we have to stretch this gear at the position, starting position, and this will be located at different positions. So it will be stretched stretching the bitumen properly, and it will give us the ductility of our bitumen. Here you can see the briquette mold. This is of the three gangs. I am going to prepare only a single mold. So I have heated the bitumen in the oven. So just this bitumen, it is going to be placed in the briquette mold. Now I am pouring the bitumen in the briquette mold. So we have to take care that the bitumen, it should be filled properly in the briquette mold, and it is holding in position. Now we have to keep this assembly for nearly about 2 to 3 hours, and make it cool at the room temperature for developing the taste. So it will now having the very brittle, sorry, having the ductile nature, and it is having some liquid form, so it will become somewhat solid form after the getting temperature at around 25 degrees centigrade. After taking the observations on the ductile testing machine, we have got the result at like this. As we are having the VG 30 grade bitumen, so it may be 43. First reading was 43 centimeter, second was 45, and third reading was the 50. So if the difference in between these two readings, if you have found it is more than 10%, so we can skip this reading, and we have to take the average of these two readings only. So average of these two readings will be the 44. So our result is uh, the ductility of the given bitumen sample is of 44 centimeter. So we can say that as the VG30 grade of the sample we have taken for the testing, so we got the proper result of the ductility bitumen. Okay, so we can conclude that the bitumen, it can be used for the road construction pavement, as the minimum ductility of the VG30 grade bitumen is 40 centimeter, and our observation of the bitumen, it was around the 44 centimeter. So we have got the good results for the ductility. So we can use this bitumen in the road construction pavement. Thank you.